how to log in MetaMask account online, MetaMask wallet 2024. If you want to log into your MetaMask wallet online, it's actually quite simple. Now, based on where you are using, because if you are using on mobile, you have the MetaMask app. For PC users, you can use the MetaMask extension from your Chrome extension or other browser extension. Once you open up MetaMask, this is the interface you will see. First, agree to their terms and conditions. Now, if you have a new wallet, then you can click on import an existing wallet. If you don't, by the way, you can click on create a new wallet button. But since in this case, we're just trying to log into our MetaMask wallet, what we will do is we will just click on the import an existing wallet button. Agree to their terms and conditions and then click on the I agree button again. Now it will say you to simply access your wallet with your secret recovery phrase. So make sure that you have your recovery phrase with you because this must be important when you had first created your account. They must have given you a secret recovery phrase which you need to paste here. And once you enter your 12 or 15 word recovery phrase, then after that you should be able to go ahead and also enter your password and successfully log into your MetaMask account. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically sign into MetaMask account online. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.